everyone, we are back for another video. My previous video, I had organized this destash right here for you, and I asked you guys if you wanted me to do a destash of my destash. So kind of decluttering what I don't want to keep and what I do want to keep. You guys can see how thick these two stacks are, and they're all organized and categorized. And I got some comments saying that you guys would like to see what I get rid of. So I thought this video would be fun. I do have two other piles of smaller destashes that I picked up prior to this one, but I still haven't gone through them. So I figured I could go through these with you as well and kind of figure out what I want to keep and what I want to destash. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to do these two smaller piles first, and then we'll get back into all of this stuff. Okay, we're first gonna start off with this little pile here. I got this for like $8 or something like that. Had a bunch of sheets in them. I did take a few character sheets out because I ended up using them. So I probably took about 4 or 5 sheets out already that I'm keeping. So this is kind of what's left over of what I'm unsure about. Let's just jump right into it. So here we have some rose gold dividers. These are really cute, the little hearts. I think I could probably use these maybe around Valentine's Day, so I think I'm going to probably try to keep those. This is a little Scribble Prints Co sampler, and they're just like headers with mixed metal silver and gold stars there. But I do have a bunch of these overlays, so I'm going to keep the headers because they match perfectly with the overlays. Now these sheets I'm really unsure about. They are gorgeous. These are from the Giving Girl, and she's kind of known for like these like scalloped shaped boxes, and I think they're gorgeous. I just don't think I'm going to use them, to be truthful and to be honest. So I'm gonna put that in the destash for now. And this is another one. Again, these are, I don't know, they're so pretty, and in my mind I'm like I could probably journal with them, but I haven't been journaling that much, and I haven't gotten into that habit. So I think I'm gonna get rid of a bunch of these boxes because I don't know when I'm going to end up using them, and I'd rather them go to a home or to someone that will make use out of them. These I definitely know I won't use. I don't know, these boxes are so pretty. These headers are gorgeous. These are from Panda Bird Design, and I really like these. Sometimes you need headers, so I feel like I'm going to keep these. Should I keep these? I'm gonna keep them for now because sometimes you do need headers, so I'll put those down here. These here are habit trackers. I kind of like these. It's in a rose gold, again from the Giving Girl. Maybe I'll keep these. Ugh, this is getting hard. Here's more habit trackers. I don't like these colors as much, so we'll get rid of those. This only has one set of headers left. Again, this was like a destash that I purchased randomly, so there's just kind of like random things on here. I don't think I'll need those. These date covers are really cool. This is like a dark gray. I'm gonna keep those because sometimes you need date covers. And the journaling that I kind of want to get into, I might need date covers, so these would be pretty. I don't really like this color though. This is like a yellow, mustard, orangey color. I'll get rid of that. Some scallops, half scallops here. More half scallops. These are in gold. These are like little corners, so pretty, but I'm not going to use these. I definitely know I'm not going to use those. Definitely not using those. And again, like they're just so pretty, and if you have this particular planning style, you'll definitely love these. I just don't. I don't have the like really pretty dainty planning style. These are pretty, but they're flags, and I'm just not going to use those. That's like an oops, but some of the things are still usable. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of most of these, as you guys can see, but I go back and forth on these like hearts because they're so pretty. But I'm going to destash this, and I'm only keeping a few sheets, so pretty proud of myself there. So here is the next chunky destash that I picked up a while ago. but I haven't gone through it. And honestly, I'm like looking through these. So it's all foil, and I have a very small foil collection. So this destash was perfect for me to build my foil collection. And there's just full box overlays mostly. There's some headers in here. But again, they're just really usable. There's some quotes in here as well in all different types of foil colors, lots of quotes, some just like dainty silver boxes, silver, gold, rose gold. Like, they're just really usable. So honestly, I don't think I'm going to declutter any of these. Like, that is so pretty for like the 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day, anything like that. That is so pretty. These are gorgeous too. I don't know when I'll use those, but again, I think just having these foil overlays are going to be beneficial, because you never know when you need a little bit of foil. So here are the stars I was talking about earlier. And there's a bunch of like mixed metal ones in here as well. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep all of these. I'm gonna quickly go through the piles that I'm definitely keeping and pretty much not destashing. The characters, I said this in my previous video, I'm obsessed with these little characters. I just think, like, look at this. These are just so usable for everyday memory planning. If you guys have the same planning style as I do, I just love all of these, and the fact that there's just so many colorways. I don't have to buy character stickers ever, almost. I probably still will. Keeping all of these. And then another stack that I am definitely keeping are her doodles. Obsessed with these doodles. Again, super functional, usable. Look at these colors. So good, very neutral. Just don't know how I'm going to organize these now. That's a whole nother video I have to think about, but keeping those. Here we have pattern full boxes. So these are really great if you like simplistic planning and you want to pull this in like, you know, when you're journaling or anything like that, or just like daily planning. These are great. I honestly really like these. I haven't gone into that particular type of planning style yet, where it's just like super simple, but I think I can really get into it. And the fact that I have like these, I have washi from her, I have doodles and characters from her, from these collections, everything's going to match. So I think I'm keeping all of these as well. Now we're gonna get into some random little bits and bobs. So here are some random full boxes and some more random like fashion girls. Like things like this I don't need, because we still have the whole pile. I have 2 piles this thick of fashion girls. So I'm not gonna keep this little single box, so we'll destash that. This full box, I'm kind of, it's cute. It's like a Halloween box, so I think I kind of want to keep that for now. Even like this little drive-in. I have this kit from another shop, so I think I want to keep that. I'm going to get rid of that. These hands from the Hunger Games, is it the Hunger Games collection? I don't need this many, so I can definitely, they're all the same skin tone too. So I'm just going to keep, I think, like 2 and get rid of the other ones. Okay, and then this here we have a foiled freebie, really functional down here. Planning groceries work, so I'm gonna keep that. Now we have double boxes. So I honestly didn't think much about these double boxes. I don't think I would use them, because if I'm doing more functional planning with these like random bits and bobs, I'm not gonna have room for a double box, unless I want to like actually cut it up myself, and that just sounds like a lot of work. So there's a lot of doubles in here. So for now, I'm just going to keep the ones, or keep one of each design. So like, for example, this is the same. I don't need 2 of them, so I'm gonna destash 1. So hopefully we will remember what we keep and what we don't. These are different, so I'm gonna keep those. I will keep that. We already have one of these, and there's multiple here. That's really cute. that is it for the double boxes. So I think we got rid of a good amount. This is what we're keeping, and our destash pile is getting bigger. So let's move on to check boxes. I, for a long time, never used these. I never found them useful, and I always got rid of them. Oh, here are some doodles. I'm gonna take those out. But yeah, so for a long time, I just didn't care for them. And recently, actually, I like this color, and these are upside down. Recently, I am thinking about next year's planning and like functional planning, like my everyday planning, and I kind of want to get into using check boxes and stickers for everyday checklists in my planner. So I think I'm gonna keep all of these because I'm gonna need 7 check boxes, or I'm sorry, 5 check boxes per week. So I figured I might as well just keep all of these, and I'll have my check boxes all set for next year. So again, wide variety of colorways here, which I love. Now we're getting into the chunky piles. So I have 2 piles of fashion people, and in my mind, I'm like, oh no, there's some pattern boxes in here. In my mind, I'm like, I don't need these at all. I definitely don't need doubles, but like I said, with the check boxes, I think some of these would be great to decorate my functional planner, but I'm going to go through these. I'll probably speed up this part because I might keep like 1 or 2 from each collection. There's just so many to go through, and I don't want to make this super, super long, but it probably will be. So so that is all of the fashion people. So really quick, this is what I'm keeping. It's still a really chunky stack, but look at the stack we're destashing. Like, that is really good. I'm really proud of myself. Definitely check out Mercari if you're looking for destashes, like the one that I just did. You can find them for really good deals, but again, the destashes go really fast, so you definitely have to check often on Mercari and like resale websites. But yeah, this big chunk going to a new home, which I'm excited about. So keep and destash. I think we did pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, if you want a video of me organizing stickers, because I definitely have to put these into like sticker sleeves or a sticker book or something like that. If you want that video, let me know in the comments, because that would be a fun video too. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.